focus every day together. Nothing's ever separate. Say that it's normal, but I saw you back there. You sitting back down, it's taking its toll. You pour your eyes out, you act like it's you, but it never was. You two, you won't ever get along. Victimized fixations just for your own. You'd be filled with regrets to see later on. And wasting your time just to win again, but no one's questioning your innocence. If you could just see more than out your own eyes, and look a little bit deeper behind my own eyes too. Why can't you see that it's not normal? As we watch as you hated it, things that you never should have done, but you can get way over it. Instant, shattered into pieces, broken, but we are still here too. We stuck through it all. We know it was awful, feeling the shockwaves from it all. We went through all the same withdrawals. None of us could have expected this much. The days they get hard, and someday we'll start over, and then that's when I'll be waiting there, in that same place when I found you there. You're acting like I never cared, but I never knew how to prepare. You and I, we were both equally scared. You know your place, but I don't know how much more I can take. Cause you know how much this really makes, and I can't show you what's going on behind my eye sockets. What's going on inside?